everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, I will guide you through how to log into Oman Arab Mobile Banking account. For that, first of all, go through the Oman Arab Mobile Banking application on your device. Then you will see this interface on your home page. If you haven't registered your account, then simply tap on register. To log into your account, you have to tap on activate option available there. Before going through activate, if you do not remember your password, then simply tap on forgot password option available there. To log into your account, tap on activate button. This is your login page. You just have to fill out this form to log into your account. First of all, enter your user ID. Then enter your password. Once you fill out both of the information correctly, simply tap on continue button. Then OTP will be sent to your registered phone number. When you enter that OTP number, then you will be successfully logged into your Oman Arab account. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.